Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a passkey on macOS. If you're running macOS Sequoia or newer, you can just open the Passwords app. But if you're on an older version of macOS, you'll want to open Keychain Access instead. Go ahead and enter your Mac login password. Both the Passwords app and Keychain Access use the same underlying system, so the process is pretty much the same. In the Passwords app interface, navigate to the Passkeys section. This is where all your saved passkeys are stored. To remove one, just right-click on the passkey you want to get rid of and select Delete. Then, click Delete Passkey again to confirm. And that's it! You've successfully removed the passkey. Just a quick bit of context on passkeys versus traditional passwords. A passkey is a faster way to sign in by using a pair of keys, one stored on your Mac and the other on the website. These are created the first time you log in if you opt to create a passkey. From then on, whenever you return, the system matches those two keys. If they match, the site logs you in automatically without you needing to remember a password. Keep in mind, the website itself has to support the passkey feature for this to work.